In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check Instagram Insights. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at Professional Dashboard on your profile. If you don't see that professional dashboard here, it means that first off you need to switch your Instagram account from personal to professional. Then get into Professional Dashboard, and that's where you can find account insights. We can tap at See All, and right here we can check the account reached, account engaged, total followers for the last 30 days, or we can tap right here and then we can choose last 14 days, previous month, or we can in that simple way select custom time range, and then if we tap at update we can see the insights for that particular time. That's how you can easily check your Instagram Insights. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.